Hi there, this is Dennis. Today we're doing another review on 3D printers. Assembly our 3D printer is fun and a great learning experience, designed to provide you the best 3D printer kit at the best price with the easiest setup. Price just under $370. This 3D printer is highly recommended for students, beginners who want to start their journey in 3D printing technology. Sharp switch to power on and off, simple installation, easy to use. The 3D printer is an all-metal frame structure. Also, the XY axis as well. Offers online and offline printing available. It is broadly used at home, school, laboratory, and could be used for industrial design, mechanical design, sculptures, robotics, etc. For more 3D printer reviews from Dennis, please subscribe to this channel and or sign up for our newsletter. Our links are in the description box below. Once again, thanks for joining us and have a great day.